In today's video, we will be going over the craziest and most insane videos ever caught on the Dashcam. Don't forget to stay safe and drive safely. Let's go! What do you think happened here? Was the driver asleep or drunk? We all know Mustangs and the goals their drivers usually have.
Knew it was gonna happen.
Tragic loss of control. Driver hits ice, flies off bridge, and rolls over. This driver was cruising down the wrong side of the road, and we still don't know why.
And on and on, and so we reorganized the agency to consolidate those things.
Oh fuck!
One, to eliminate the redundancy and to streamline the agency. Most importantly, to redirect it.
Major collision. Who's really at fault here? My guess? This driver hydroplaned and ended up flipping into the bushes. Against all odds, driver pulls off miraculous save, protecting everyone involved. This is exactly why you should never try to brake check a tractor.
Toś fajnie narobił, skurwielu, toś fajnie narobił, no. Fajnie, kurwa.
Bad driving or drunk driving, you decide. Either way, he endangered everyone. Another case of horsepower overwhelming driving skills. Absolute chaos caused by this insane collision. What was this Subaru driver thinking? Their mistake turned fatal. The living embodiment of "I'm turning now." Good luck, everybody. This is the brutal reality of being rear-ended. A devastating accident with terrible consequences. Who licensed this dangerously incompetent driver?
Food assistance, healthcare, and federal student aid. Estimates from the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office say that up to 250,000 people would lose access.
What possible justification did the gray Toyota driver have?
Holy shit, dude.
Well, at least they didn't hit you.
Big truck, tiny brain, a deadly combination. Well, something's definitely not right here.
It's so good.
But it wasn't a joke.
It's no, it wasn't.